right. Now, is that not it or what? I will dance like David danced. You know, David danced clean out of his clothes. You know, when he danced for the Lord, he was so excited and just so full of the glory that he came out of everything he had on. I would like to think he kept on his long johns, but, you know, I don't know if that was true or not, but I wasn't there. But, you know, with that being said, you know, I told you all that I was throwing poetry into my show. That's a little extra added. I normally have a little background music to go with that. But you know something? We're going to call this a dry read. And this was written by none other than the beautiful Amy Upchurch. And this is called Surreal. I can't stop thinking about you every day and every night. But even if I wanted to, I know I would lose the fight. Everything you say and do sticks within my mind. I know I would still see images of you, even if I were blind. You're what I look forward to, that smile in those eyes. And by just simply being you, you make my temperature rise. Ooh, baby, that's what I'm talking about. I don't believe you have a clue of how you make me feel. So please listen when I tell you that to love you is surreal. And that was written by none other than, you know, a lovely lady sitting next to me, Amy Upchurch. She calls us Team Allstate. I think that's rather funny. Wallace, what do you think about that little piece I read?
I think it's beautiful, and I'm really appreciating this addition to the show.
You know, it is a lovely addition to the show to be able to read a person's heart, because poetry just isn't poetry. It isn't words that you put down on a piece of paper, you know. Poetry is a part of who you are, and when you write, you're writing your emotions. And you're writing, you know, you're letting people inside and let them see just a touch of who you are on the inside.
Yes, sir.
And I love it. Like I said, I used to write, I think one day I may bring one or two of my pieces, but I haven't written anything in about, oh my goodness, 15 years.
I have some poetry too.
Well, you know,
just a couple though. I'm not like Amy. She's like spitting them out.
You know something, and you know, isn't she though?
Oh yeah.
You know, it's like when she passed gas, a poem come out.
Hey, people ain't getting pregnant off my voice.
you know, I've got a poem about a hemorrhoid because you know I'm a comic.
All right.
It's funny though. Come on now. Well, we took a turn to the left. Let's get back to the center. Back to the center on the gospel show.
You know something? This next song, damn.
Little Lord, couple jokes.
I tried to step over that. What I really did.
Just don't sit on it. That's what hurts.
Oh, ouch.
Sorry.
But this next song is called Open My Heart. This one here is it's really dear to me, and for those of you who hear this, you know, a lot of you may know this song, a lot of you may not. And for those of you that don't know, you know, here, I'll let the song speak for itself because it's one that touches me deep. Open My Heart, right here on the Jam and KZKO, the Vibe, Smooth Sounds by Swan.
Oh, talk to me. Talk to me. Alone in a room, it's just me and you. so lost, 'cause I don't know what to do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my life is so cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I
that there. See, you know something. I turned on the mic and we hear this. I'm not even going to repeat that. Y'all already heard it. But that was Yolanda Adams. Open Up My Heart. That one there really touches me because, You know, that's all the Father asks us to do is open up our hearts. He said in his word, if you sup with me, I will sup with you, you know. And with that being said, I got some more food for y'all. We have Wallace in the house, and she's going to come at you with her brand of comedy, everything that's going on, and her special guest. Really looking forward to hearing some knowledgeable words come out of her mouth, and hopefully something funny that ain't too dirty.
Yeah, we're keeping the show clean today. So
yeah, she is Wallace, folks.
And we're live on Comic Mafia also. So hey, everybody out there, thanks for tuning in. And we're here. I've rebranded my show. We work Colorado culture and comedy. But now we are Comic Mafia because we have so many followers all over the United States, from New York to L.A., London. And so we've decided to do that. And also, Sunday Jazz